In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook page not showing in profile. So first of all, what you have to do is that you very simply have to open up your App Store application. On your App Store, you have to search for Facebook, then select the official application. Now from here, you have to make sure that your Facebook application is up to date and there are no updates available, as this can be a bug or simply a glitch which will be resolved in the upcoming versions of Facebook. So you should always keep your apps updated. Once you make that sure, you have to close your App Store application and open up your iPhone settings. On your iPhone settings, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. Now in iPhone Storage, you very simply have to scroll down and search for Facebook application. Once you search for it, you have to tap on it. Now from here, you very simply have to tap on Offload app, and by doing this, you will be able to easily clear all of the cache which is stored in your Facebook application and will free up the storage as well, but will keep your documents and data intact. So you very simply have to reinstall the application and you should be able to fix your issue. So everyone, this is how you can fix Facebook page not showing in profile. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.